Every summer feels hotter than the last. The ocean's boiling, wildfires are raging, and half the internet is screaming, "We're doomed." So, are we? Let's get real. Earth's temperature has risen by about 1.2 degrees Celsius since the late 1800s. That may not sound like much, but it's enough to melt glaciers, supercharge storms, and push ecosystems to the brink. And yeah, humans are the main reason. Burning coal, oil, and gas dumps billions of tons of CO2 into the atmosphere every year. Burning coal, oil, and gas dumps billions of tons of CO2 into the atmosphere every year, thickening the planet's heat-trapping blanket. But here's the good news. Physics got us into this mess, and physics can get us out. When we cut emissions, the concentration of greenhouse gases starts to level off. That means warming can slow down, not instantly, but within decades. We've already seen proof. When air travel dropped in 2020, pollution and CO2 briefly dipped, and the air literally got cleaner in weeks. Of course, we can't just stop everything forever. So scientists are developing tech to pull CO2 out of the air, giant fans that suck up carbon and store it underground, artificial trees that breathe like real ones, and algae farms that lock away carbon in the ocean. It's not sci-fi, it's happening right now. Still, none of that replaces the basics: renewable energy, efficient transport, smarter farming, and reforestation. Every ton of CO2 we don't release makes a difference. And while politicians argue, the planet keeps the score. If global warming hits 2 degrees Celsius, things get rough. More droughts, lost crops, flooded coasts. But if we stay closer to 1.5 degrees, we can avoid most of the worst outcomes. That's not fantasy, that's math. The future isn't set in stone, it's written in our emissions, and the sooner we change the story, the better the ending looks. So no, it's not game over. It's game on, and that's baby science for you.